everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of cybersecurity. In this first part, we'll be uncovering the mysteries behind four common security threats: social engineering, malware, phishing, and spyware. So fasten your seatbelts and let's dive in. Our first adversary is social engineering. Social engineering is a deceptive and manipulative tactic employed by cybercriminals to exploit human psychology and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. Rather than relying on technical vulnerabilities, social engineering targets individuals, tricking them into divulging confidential data such as passwords or personal details. This method often involves psychological manipulation, impersonation, and the exploitation of trust to deceive individuals or organizations. Awareness and education are crucial defenses against social engineering attacks, as recognizing the signs and implementing security measures can help mitigate the risks associated with this pervasive form of cyber threat. Next on our list is malware. Malware, short for malicious software, refers to a category of harmful programs designed to infiltrate, disrupt, or damage computer systems, networks, and devices. This includes various types such as viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. Malware is typically spread through deceptive emails, infected websites, or compromised software. Once inside a system, it can compromise data integrity, steal sensitive information, or even render the device or network inoperable. Protecting against malware involves using robust antivirus software, regularly updating systems, and practicing safe online habits to minimize the risk of infection. Understanding and defending against malware is crucial in maintaining a secure digital environment. Moving on, phishing is a deceptive cyber attack technique in which attackers masquerade as trustworthy entities to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card details, or personal data, typically delivered through fraudulent emails, messages, or websites. Phishing attempts often appear legitimate, creating a false sense of urgency or importance to manipulate recipients. The goal is to lure unsuspecting users into providing confidential information, which can then be exploited for malicious purposes. Recognizing phishing attempts involves being vigilant about email and website authenticity, checking for subtle signs of deception, and implementing security measures to protect against falling victim to these socially engineered attacks. Last but not least, spyware is a type of malicious software designed to covertly observe and collect information from a user's device without their knowledge or consent. Operating in the background, spyware can monitor keystrokes, track online activities, capture sensitive data, and even take control of a device's functions. Typically installed surreptitiously through deceptive downloads or infected websites, spyware poses a significant threat to privacy and security. Protecting against spyware involves using reputable antivirus and anti-spyware tools, regularly updating software, and exercising caution when downloading content from the internet. Detecting and removing spyware promptly is essential to safeguard personal information and maintain a secure digital environment. And there you have it, the first part of our journey into common security threats. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll tackle the remaining four threats. Until then, stay safe and stay secure.